Hello, this is Emmanuel from ST Special Kids Super TV. Today, we are going to learn subtraction. Subtraction is when you take numbers away. Rules for using zero in subtraction. Rule number 1. Subtracting zero from any number gives you the original number. 1 apple minus 0 equals 1 apple. That means 1 minus 0 equals 1. 2 apples minus 0 equals 2 apples. That means 2 minus 0 equals 2. 3 apples minus 0 equals 3 apples. That means 3 minus 0 equals 3. So 1 minus 0 equals 1. 2 minus 0 equals 2. And 3 minus 0 equals 3. So what is the meaning of 0? 0 means no object. For example, if we had 1, 2, 3 birds on the table, and one bird flies away, we'll have 2 birds left on the table. If the second bird flies away, we'll have 1 bird left on the table. If the last bird flies away, we'll have 0 birds on the table. That means no object. Rule number 2. Subtracting any number from itself equals 0. For example, 1 apple minus 1 apple. So you take away 1 apple. The answer is 0. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1, 2 apples minus 2 apples. So you take away 1, 2 apples. The answer is 0. That means 2 minus 2 equals 0. Let's now calculate 2 minus 1. 1, 2 apples minus 1 apple. So we take away 1 apple. The answer is 1. That means 2 minus 1 equals 1. Let's now calculate 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3 apples minus 2 apples. So we take away 1, 2 apples. The answer is 1 apple. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Let's now calculate 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples minus 2 apples. So we take away 1, 2 apples. The answer is 1, 2 apples. That means 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's now calculate 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples minus 3 apples. So we take away 1, 2, 3 apples. The answer is 1 apple. That means 4 minus 3 equals 1. Let's now calculate 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples minus 2 apples. So we take away 1, 2 apples. The answer is 1, 2, 3 apples. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's now calculate 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples minus 4 apples. So we take away 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. The answer is 1 apple. That means 5 minus 4 equals 1. Let's now calculate 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples minus 3 apples. So we take away 1, 2, 3 apples. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Let's now calculate 8 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples minus 4 apples. So you take away 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. That means 8 minus 4 equals 4. Let's now calculate 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples minus 5 apples. So we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. The answer is 1, 2 apples. That means 7 minus 5 equals 2. Let's now calculate 8 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples minus 6 apples. So you take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. The answer is 1, 2 apples. That means 8 minus 6 equals 2. Let's now calculate 15 minus 4. We start by identifying the ones and the tens. We then solve the ones. 5 ones minus 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples minus 4 apples. So you take away 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. The answer is 1 apple. So 5 ones minus 4 ones equals 1 1. You write the 1 under the ones column. We then solve the tens column. 1 10 minus 0 tens equals 1 10. So you write the 1 under the tens column. That means 15 minus 4 equals 11. Let's now calculate 14 minus 2. We start by identifying the ones and the tens. We then solve the ones. 4 ones minus 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples minus 2 apples. So we take away 1, 2 apples. The answer is 1, 2 apples. So 4 ones minus 2 ones equals 2 ones. So you put the 2 under the ones column. We then solve the tens column. 1 10 minus 0 tens equals 1 10. So you write the 1 under the tens column. That means 14 minus 2 equals 12. Let's now calculate 13 minus 3. We start by identifying the ones and the tens. We then solve the ones. 3 ones minus 3 ones. 1, 2, 3 apples minus 3 apples. So we take away 1, 2, 3 apples. The answer is 0 apples. So 3 ones minus 3 ones equals 0 ones. So you write the 0 under the ones column. We then solve the tens column. 1 10 minus 0 tens equals 1 10. You write the 1 under the tens column. That means 13 minus 3 equals 10. Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe and like button.